Protein databases, MCQs. One who is known as the mother of bioinformatics? A. Amos Barak. B. Margaret Dayhoff. C. Walter Gilbert. D. Francis Crick. 2. The Atlas of Protein Sequence and Structure was first published in A. 1953. B. 1965. C. 1971. D. 1982. 3. The first biological database established was A. Swiss-Prot. B. PIR. C. PDB. D. GenBank. 4. The Protein Data Bank, PDB, was established in A. 1965. B. 1971. C. 1986. D. 1996. 5. PDB primarily stores A. DNA sequences. B. Protein 3D structures. C. Gene expression data. D. Pathway maps. 6. Swiss-Prot was founded by A. Margaret Dayhoff. B. Amos Barak. C. David Lipman. D. Paul Berg. 7. Swiss-Prot was launched in A. 1971. B. 1982. C. 1986. D. 1996. 8. The main philosophy of Swiss-Prot is A. Maximum speed. B. Maximum redundancy. C. High-quality manual annotation. D. Automated genome translation. 9. TrEMBL stands for A. Translated EMBL. B. Transfer EMBL. C. Transcript EMBL. D. Transmembrane EMBL. 10. TrEMBL was created in A. 1986. B. 1990. C. 1996. D. 2003. 11. TrEMBL entries are A. Manually curated. B. Automatically annotated. C. Structure verified. D. Literature only. 12. Which database is non-redundant by design? A. TrEMBL. B. Swiss-Prot. C. GenBank. D. DDBJ. 13. UniProtKB was formed by merging A. PDB and PIR. B. Swiss-Prot, TrEMBL, and PIR. C. GenBank and RefSec. D. PDB and Swiss-Prot. 14. UniProt Consortium was formed in A. 1996. B. 2000. C. 2002 to 2003. D. 2010. 15. UniProtKB consists of A. Swiss-Prot only. B. TrEMBL only. C. Swiss-Prot and TrEMBL. D. PIR and RefSec. 16. UniProtKB/Swiss-Prot entries are A. Unreviewed. B. Reviewed. C. Structural only. D. Nucleotide based. 17. UniProtKB/TrEMBL entries are A. Reviewed. B. Experimentally validated. C. Unreviewed. D. Non-redundant. 18. The accession number in UniProtKB. A. Changes every year. B. Is stable. C. Is organism dependent. D. Is structure dependent. 19. Which section contains detailed functional comments? A. ID. B. AC. C. CC. D. SQ. 20. The SQ line in UniProt entry represents A. Structure quality. B. Sequence. C. Swiss annotation. D. Source query. 21. PIR was established in A. 1971. B. 1982. C. 1986. D. 1996. 22. TrEMBL sequences are mainly derived from A. PDB. B. Swiss-Prot. C. EMBL nucleotide sequences. D. CAG. 23. Which database stores experimentally determined atomic coordinates? A. UniProt. B. PDB. C. PIR. D. TrEMBL. 24. mmCIF format is associated with A. UniProt. B. PDB. C. PIR. D. PROSID. 25. Swiss-Prot reduces redundancy by A. Clustering sequences. B. One gene, one entry rule. C. Removing variants. D. Deleting isoforms. 26. Which is automatically annotated? A. Swiss-Prot. B. TrEMBL. C. PDB. D. PIR. 27. UniRef is used for A. Structure storage. B. Sequence clustering. C. Pathway mapping. D. Gene prediction. 28 UniParc is A. Reviewed database. B. Structural archive. C. Sequence archive. D. Pathway database. 29 Which database emphasizes literature-based curation? A. TrEMBL. B. Swiss-Prot. C. GenBank. D. DDBJ. 30 Evidence tags in UniProt indicate A. Sequence length. B. Annotation reliability. C. Organism type. D. Taxonomy rank. 31 Which organization is part of UniProt consortium? A. SIB. B. NASA. C. WHO. D. NIH only. 32 TrEMBL was primarily created to A. Store structures. B. Replace Swiss-Prot. C. Handle large data volume. D. Store pathways. 33 Which database came first? A. Swiss-Prot. B. PIR. C. PDB. D. UniProt. 34 PDB IDs are A. 2-letter codes. B. 3-digit codes. C. 4-character alphanumeric codes. D. 6-digit numeric codes. 35 Swiss-Prot entries are promoted from A. PDB. B. GenBank. C. TrEMBL. D. PIR. 36 TrEMBL annotation is primarily based on A. Experimental validation. B. Rule-based computational pipelines. C. Clinical trials. D. Microscopy. 37 UniProtKB integrates data from A. Only Swiss-Prot. B. Only TrEMBL. C. Multiple sequence databases. D. Only PDB. 38 The feature table in UniProt entry is labeled A. FT. B. DR. C. CC. D. GN. 39 Which database is considered the gold standard for protein annotation? A. TrEMBL. B. Swiss-Prot. C. PDB. D. PIR. 40 Alternative splicing information is found in A. UniProtKB. B. PDB. C. GenBank. D. DDBJ. 41 Which database handles predicted proteins at large scale? A. Swiss-Prot. B. TrEMBL. C. PDB. D. PIR. 42 UniProtKB entries can be downloaded in A. FASTA. B. XML. C. RDF. D. All of the above. 43 The main difference between Swiss-Prot and TrEMBL is A. Organism coverage. B. File format. C. Review status. D. Sequence length. 44 Redundancy is tolerated in A. Swiss-Prot. B. TrEMBL. C. PDB. D. UniRef. 45 UniRef clusters sequences at A. Structural similarity. B. Taxonomic similarity. C. Sequence identity thresholds. D. Pathway similarity. 46 The CC section in UniProt includes A. Coordinates. B. Functional comments. C. Sequence. D. Accession number. 47 UniProtKB is best described as A. Structural archive. B. Knowledge base. C. Pathway database. D. Genome database. 48 PIR originally evolved from A. Swiss-Prot. B. Dayhoff's Atlas. C. PDB. D. GenBank. 49 Which database mainly contains reviewed entries? A. UniProtKB/Swiss-Prot. B. UniProtKB/TrEMBL. C. GenBank. D. EMBL. 50 AlphaFold DB complements. A. Swiss-Prot annotation. B. PDB structures. C. TrEMBL redundancy. D. UniRef clustering. 51 UniProtKB accession numbers are A. Temporary. B. Permanent. C. Taxonomy specific. D. Genome specific. 52 The DR section contains A. Sequence. B. Cross-references. C. Structure. D. Taxonomy. 53 Swiss-Prot minimizes redundancy by A. Ignoring isoforms. B. Removing duplicates. C. Using clustering. D. Ignoring mutations. 54 Which database was formed in 2003? A. Swiss-Prot. B. PIR. C. UniProt. D. PDB. 55 genome projects led to creation of A. Swiss-Prot. B. TrEMBL. C. PDB. D. PIR. 56 UniParc stores. A. Functional comments. B. Sequence history. C. Structures. D. Domains. 57 which is manually curated. A. TrEMBL. B. Swiss-Prot. C. GenBank. D. DDBJ. 58 The main advantage of TrEMBL is A. High accuracy. B. Structural validation. C. Rapid sequence inclusion. D. Manual literature review. 59 UniProtKB integrates A. Sequence and annotation. B. Only sequences. C. Only structures. D. Only pathways. 60 The evolution of protein databases followed A. Unified rightward arrow fragmented. B. Structural rightward arrow sequence. C. Independent rightward arrow merged. D. Automated rightward arrow manual. Answer key. B. B. C. B. 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 C. C. A. C. B. 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 C. C. B. C. B. C. B. B. C. B. 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 C. B. B. A. C. 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 B. C. A. B. A. B. D. C. B. C. B. 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 A. B. 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 C. B. 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 C. A. C. Answers with explanations. 1. Margaret Dayhoff. Founder of early protein sequence databases and creator of the Atlas of Protein Sequence and Structure. 2. 1965. The Atlas was first published in 1965. 3. PDB. The Protein Data Bank, PDB, was established in 1971 and is considered the first biological database. 4. 1971. PDB was founded at Brookhaven National Laboratory. 5. Protein 3D structures. PDB stores experimentally determined macromolecular structures. 6. Amos Baruch. Founder of Swiss-Prot in 1986. 7. 1986. Swiss-Prot was launched to provide curated protein sequences. 8. High-quality manual annotation. Swiss-Prot focuses on expert curation. 9. Translated EMBL. TrEMBL equals translated EMBL. 10. 1996. TrEMBL was created due to genome data explosion. 11. Automatically annotated. TrEMBL entries are computationally annotated. 12. Swiss-Prot. Designed to minimize redundancy, one gene, one entry principle. 13. Swiss-Prot, TrEMBL, and PIR. Merged to form UniProtKB. 14. 2002 to 2003. UniProt Consortium formed officially in this period. 15. Swiss-Prot and TrEMBL. 2 sections of UniProtKB. 16. Reviewed. Swiss-Prot entries are expert reviewed. 17. Unreviewed. TrEMBL entries are not manually reviewed. 18. Stable. Accession numbers remain constant. 19. CC. Comment, CC, section contains functional details. 20. Sequence. SQ line provides amino acid sequence. 21. 1982. Protein Information Resource, PIR, established in 1982. 22. EMBL nucleotide sequences. TrEMBL translates coding sequences from EMBL/GenBank. 23. PDB. Stores atomic coordinate data. 24. PDB. mmCIF is structural format used by PDB. 25. One gene, one entry rule. Swiss-Prot policy reduces redundancy. 26. TrEMBL. Uses automated pipelines. 27. Sequence clustering. UniRef clusters sequences. 28. Sequence archive. UniParc stores complete sequence history. 29. Swiss-Prot. Literature-based manual curation. 30. Annotation reliability. Evidence tags indicate experimental or predicted status. 31. SIB. Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics is part of UniProt consortium. 32 handle large data volume. Genome projects required automation. 33 PDB. Established before Swiss-Prot and PIR. 34 4-character alphanumeric codes. Example, 1A2B. 35 TrEMBL. Entries are reviewed and promoted to Swiss-Prot. 36 rule-based computational pipelines. Annotation via homology and rules. 37 multiple sequence databases. UniProt integrates global protein data. 38 FT. Feature table shows domains, sites, modifications. 39 Swiss-Prot. Gold standard for protein annotation. 40 UniProtKB. Contains isoform and splice variant information. 41 TrEMBL. Handles predicted proteins at scale. 42 all of the above. UniProt supports FASTA, XML, RDF formats. 43 review status. Main distinction between Swiss-Prot and TrEMBL. 44 TrEMBL. Redundancy tolerated for rapid inclusion. 45 sequence identity thresholds. UniRef 90, UniRef 50 clustering levels. 46 functional comments. CC equals comment section. 47 knowledge base. UniProtKB integrates sequence plus function. 48 Dayhoff's atlas. PIR evolved from Dayhoff's protein collections. 49 UniProtKB/Swiss-Prot. Reviewed entries only. 50 PDB structures. AlphaFold protein structure database complements experimental PDB structures. 51 permanent. Accession numbers remain stable. 52 cross-references. DR section links to PDB, Go, KEG etc. 53 removing duplicates. Swiss-Prot eliminates redundancy. 54 UniProt. Launched in 2002 to 2003 era. 55 TrEMBL. Created due to genome sequencing boom. 56 sequence history. UniParc tracks sequence versions. 57 Swiss-Prot. Manually curated database. 58 rapid sequence inclusion. TrEMBL allows immediate deposition. 59 sequence and annotation. UniProtKB integrates both. 60 independent rightward arrow merged. Evolution, PIR, Swiss-Prot, TrEMBL rightward arrow UniProt.